more and more waste is being produced every year. India alone generates about 15 million tons of plastic waste every year, and only a quarter of this is recycled due to ineffective waste management systems. The rest ends up polluting cities and the environment, causing unhealthy living conditions for everyone and dangerous working conditions for millions of waste workers. One inspiring program called Finiloop is changing this reality by working together with everyone involved in managing waste, and you can help too. Just follow a few easy steps and you'll make a big difference. How to separate waste at your hotel, business or temple. Whether you own a hotel, restaurant, any business or a temple, you will often generate waste. When you do this, store it until it is collected and make sure to separate wet waste, dry waste and hazardous waste. Wet waste is anything that is organic. In other words, waste that can decompose. It goes in the green container. The rest is dry waste, anything that does not decompose. This goes in the blue container. Some waste is dangerous. Do not put this in the dry or wet waste, but in the hazardous waste, the red container. Restaurants generally produce a lot of wet waste. All kitchen scraps of fruit, vegetables and meat are wet waste. As well as leftover food. Food package, however, or tissues should be put in the dry waste. And dangerous items like broken glass are hazardous waste and should be wrapped when thrown away. A hotel typically produces a different kind of waste. Leaves or weeds from the garden should be placed in the wet waste. Floor sweepings can be mixed with garden mud or otherwise put in the wet waste. The dry waste includes plastic waste or used cleaning cloths or mops. Any sanitary waste is hazardous waste. Finally, let's take a look at the waste produced by temples. Expired flowers are wet waste as well as scented sticks. Water bottles and other plastic packaging is dry waste as well as paper or cloth. Waste workers will come to collect your waste. Once the waste is collected each day, be sure to hand in the hazardous waste separately. If you follow these simple steps, the waste is sorted better and cleaner. More plastic can be used to make new products. Because of this, nature and the air will be cleaner. Learn more with Finiloop. Tune in for more insightful tutorials.